In this video guys, I'm gonna share with you guys step by step how we made $10,211 just in 13 days of this month just by posting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic without investing any money. This is all profit, okay? And I made this commission from the first day of this month of July until the day 13 of this month. $10,211 in commission, okay? This is my commissions, this is my clicks, this is my CTR, people who used my affiliate links to buy those services or products from me. So I will share with you guys new services that you should start promoting. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will share with you guys step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, how you can create your affiliate links, how you can use free traffic from YouTube, how you can create content to promote your affiliate links on YouTube, and so much more. So this video will be the best video that you can watch about affiliate marketing ever on YouTube, and let's get started to show you that. Okay, so this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot guys. I can click over here. I have my dashboard, marketing tools, reports, even my ID here. I don't have to show that, that's fine, just to show you it's not screenshot like other people sharing with you. Okay, anyway, so for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using YouTube, step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates, okay? And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about all commission plans that you will get. So just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, so put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have any Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, CTR, and so on. Okay, so all you have to do now is you need to choose good services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. And I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on YouTube, and I will share with you the method that I'm using to fund a profitable services. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your YouTube homepage. Go to your YouTube homepage. All of you guys have a YouTube account. Open your YouTube account like this. Why we choose YouTube? You guys don't know the potential of YouTube because YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two, and YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors. You can see that's a big number. Guys, you can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly and if you follow those steps. Okay, 31 billion monthly visitors, millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, product, topics using YouTube. Okay, all you have to do now is you just need to click on this search and ask question. I'm gonna ask, for example, how to find, and here you go, for example, how to find winning product. Okay, let's see this one, how to find winning product. Okay, and here you go. You can see that people are searching for how to find winning products for dropshipping, how to find winning products for dropshipping 2024, how to find winning products for Amazon FBA, and so on. Okay, so that's what people are searching for. Okay, and those people who are searching for those topics, they have money. Okay, they want to find winning product, to run ads for those winning products and to get more sales and make money. So those people have money and they want to invest those money and in ads to promote those products. Okay, so this is a report search prediction. It's not from me, or it's not from you, it's from YouTube. YouTube will give you what people are searching for right now on YouTube. So what I will do next, I will check these topics. I will go back to Fiverr, to my home page. I will click on the search and I will search for Shopify winning product, okay? Because people who are doing drop shipping, they are using a lot of people using Shopify, okay? So this it's clear. So search for Shopify winning product research, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers, choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers, they will see if those sellers are good sellers or not. That's why you should choose good sellers, okay? So it's clear. So let's choose, for example, let me see. I think this one is good. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. This service starting from 20 bucks, $20, almost 5 star. So I will just click on his service like this, okay? Just click on the seller service that you want to use, okay? And that's it. And you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this, okay? You can see that the seller has 3 orders in queue. A lot of people paid for the service, and as you can see here, a lot of reviews. So what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller profile page, copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have marketing tools, you have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we will go back to the seller profile page. So the seller has video, let's check. So his video explaining to his customers how this seller will find winning products for drop shipping. Okay, that's really good. So that's a good video. So what you will do, double click on the video, click on save video. You need to save this video to your laptop, okay? Like this. Just click on save and I'm gonna name it, let's say winning products, for example. I will click on save. After you finish, go to Google, search for Canva like this. Just search for Canva, click on the first link. The sign up process is super easy and it's for free. Click on the first link and you will be directly in this page. All you have to do is you just need to sign up by using your email address, okay? So click over here on video and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload file and upload this video about winning products. Open, click on open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video and your video will be over here like this. Click on this 3 points, click on set video as background. I try to make this video, guys, very simple, for anyone can start, okay? After you finish, click on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. So for example, just use good text that looks clear and good. I'm gonna use this one. So just click on the text style and your text will be over here. I'm gonna delete the second one and they will decrease the font size of this text and they will put this text here. Double click on this text and write the sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description. Okay, like this. What you will do next, you will click on elements. You will scroll down. Let me show you. So just scroll down Go over here to shapes and choose this one and click on color over here and choose black color. Then put this shape behind your text like this. Super easy, guys, just to make this text looks clear. Okay, it's good. Let's check. Okay, I'm gonna click on the video. So just click on the video, okay, like this, and I will remove the background music. It's just annoying, don't like it. I like it to make just clear and simple. Okay, let's check. So you can see the video now. So people who will watch this video, they will see this check link in description. So in our description, we will put our affiliate link, and that's it. So you see the video is really looking good. It's explaining to people how this seller will help them to find winning products for their online stores. They will just make this. So let me make this title small. I'm gonna make it like this. Okay, it's good now. So after you finish, guys, you can click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, open your YouTube channel, upload this video to your YouTube channel, put this title like this: how to find winning product for dropshipping, and that's it. Just use the same title, don't add or change anything. Okay, copy and paste, because you should use this title that people are using, so that people can find your video in the search results of YouTube. Okay, after you upload this video, after you use this title, go to your YouTube description and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you have new Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here, and that's it. Go and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Stay consistent, upload a lot of videos. There is no limit on YouTube. You can upload unlimited videos per day. You can upload 5, 7, 10, 20, 50. It's depending on your work. And of course, the more videos you upload, the more your channel will grow and the fast you will get a result. Okay, it's depending on your work. You will stay consistent or not. They will keep doing more research. They will create good videos, and it's up to you. Okay, so the business model is clear, but it's not easy. You don't need to invest even any money. It will cost you just your time. You will invest your time to learn and to do more research and to upload videos with your affiliate links that people are searching for, and you can make a lot of money with this business model. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.